Here we go.
Hello everyone. We had a big storm come through. It dropped about a foot on us in central New Hampshire of heavy wet snow, and it really did a lot of damage. We lost power just for a day, and there's about 100,000 people without power in New Hampshire. But today we're at the beach, and the sand has definitely shifted. A lot was pulled down from up above, and so we're hoping to find some good things in the sand. We were here a few weeks ago and pounded this place and found a whole bunch of rings and a lot of clad coins. So I imagine we're going to find some more clad today, but hopefully find those rings too and other things. So we'll see what happens. Thank you so much for joining us.
I have a super faint 25, 26, 27, 28 right here. Deep. Now it sounds like a quarter signal right there. Perfect 30. Okay. There it is. Got it. And it's a greenie. I think it's just a clad quarter. Oh, it's a state quarter. Yeah, all right, I'll take it though.
You saw a 25. There. High dime. Oh, I have a sort of a jumpy nickel signal. Oh, big wave. Can't tell if it's iron or something. That is it, a ring? It is a ring. A little ring. Oh, maybe a toe ring? Little toe. Alright, well that's cool. I would believe that's silver. The tiny hearts.
Well, I just had a super faint 12, 13, 14. And then, like, it was way down there. I just had to dig for it really deep. Really, really deep. But it sounded like there was something, and this is what I just pulled out. So, bullseye washers. What is that? Is that for throwing on something? Maybe?
Weird. Metal?
Yeah, inside it is. It's rusting, yeah. I don't know. It's kind of heavy. It's got some weight.
Weird.
Yeah, bullseye washers. That's what I got. All right, well, it's new. I've never seen one.
I have a Surface 24. Probably a penny. Oh, yep. Another green penny. Oh, this one's a weedy. All right. Well, that's better than just a regular one, I guess. Date 40 some odd. Alright, well, it's something.
I just had a 13, 14. Was looking for that pull tab, and I see this thing, which is not a pull tab. I feel like it's falling apart on me, but it's an earring. It's my first piece of jewelry for the day. Was there any more parts of it? It's a copper earring. Probably was gold plated. I lost the top part, but I'll take some jewelry. First one.
I have a copper penny tone here. Alright, it's in the scoop. Oh, big wave. Alright, it's a 28 now. Oh, it looks silver. It is mercury. Alright, well, that's cool. 27. Sweet, okay. I mean, it's, you know, beach condition, but it's a silver dime, so that's great.
I had a 2021 super loud penny signal all day long, and that is what I see in the side of my hole, which is not a penny. It is a silver ring, for sure. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. All right. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Right there. Yep, it says sterling right there. Alrighty.
Oh wow,
Yeah. So I failed. I didn't live dig. It says sterling in there.
Yeah. Awesome.
So very cool. Very
That's
cool.
a nice ring.
Yeah, yeah,
Way to go.
yeah. Woohoo! Yes. Thank you.
Congrats.
Yay.
Well, 30, 31. Sounds a bit deep. Alright, it's out. There it is. Just, oh, what is this? It's a dollar coin. Alright. It's Lady Liberty. And who is that? Franklin? Yeah, it's so hard to tell. Alright, well, I got a dollar coin. That's cool. I have another quarter signal here. There's been so many Clyde coins. We hit this place hard a few weeks ago, several times. Alright, it's out. Is it? Oh, yes. There it goes. Yay! Alright, with this green stone-like thing. Not a gem, but cool stone. I would say it's silver. Looks like it's been there for a long time. I mean, it's definitely heavy enough.
Oh, look at that.
But I would assume that's going to be silver with a cool stone in
It's not
it.
even an assumption needed. That's a beautiful ring.
Yeah, I like the stone. It's different.
Yeah, for sure. 13 right here. Is it really that? Huh. What's this? Oh, this is a charm. Oh, nice. All right, hold on a second. It's a religious charm. Just the center, though. The rest of it's already gone. It's all worn off. So, I don't think it's precious metal. But yeah, it's a teeny tiny religious charm. I'll take it. I just came upon this. It was a faint little signal, but I thought I would give it a whirl, and yeah, I've got a clasp, a lobster claw thing, and it looks very silver to me. So I'm going to call this silver until proven otherwise. So I got a tiny piece of silver. Yay!
Well, I just had a surface 10 signal and looked down, and I'm hoping that's a ring. It is. Boom. Oh, that's pretty. Zoe. With like, it's like the musical, not notes, but they open the lines, I forget what they're called, and hearts. Oh, right on the surface here. 10 is probably stainless, but I love the coloring. Oh, poor Zoe. Yeah, there's no writing. So probably, like I said, stainless.
Well, I just had a lovely 2122 right here. Didn't think anything of it because I've been in Aluminum Can Alley here. But I just pulled out a Wheatie. Not very deep, so that's kind of cool. It's in pretty good shape. Well, the back of it is. The front is just nothing. But yeah, got a Wheatie. Cool. I just had a 14, 15, 16. Went for the pull tab. And this is what's in my scoop, which is not a pull tab. It's a ring that I bent with my scoop, I would say. And it's either aluminum or silver based on its pliability here. It's looking very much like silver. Ooh, those are pretty flowers. Yeah, I'm calling this. There it is, right there, 925. Woohoo! All right. Mike's way down there. But yeah, it is all kinds of mashed. But it's pretty. It's got flowers. There we go. I'll keep it there till I show him. All right. Yay! A ring.
Well, I had another Surface 22, 23. Is this on? Yeah. And I just swept with a pinpointer, and this popped up. Oh my word. Oh, this thing is beautiful. This kind of goes with a pendant I found a few weeks ago. Kind of the same big stone. Sorry, battery just died. So I was thinking, you have a pendant that's very similar to this, but this is definitely going to be silver. I called Persis over while I was changing the battery.
This goes with your pendant.
That's what I was just saying on the camera when the battery died.
Mine's dead too. Oh, that was so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm sure that says 925.
It says real diamond.
Yeah, that's what it says. That is beautiful.
Hey.
Am I high five? Yes. 33 if I hit it right. So, fingers crossed it's not a vape. Oh, okay, it's a car. Cool, it's a big car. What is this thing? Oh, well, that's awesome. There we go. That is, wow. That thing I feel like has been in there for a while. It's like a matte gray something. I think it says something on the side there. Neat. All right. That was worth changing my battery for. I got a car. Woohoo!
Well, I had a 910, and what I just saw it right there. It's like a copper ring, maybe. Is it another toe ring? That's adjustable. Maybe it's just a kid's ring, I guess. With some bling in it. Well, it's kind of big for kids, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. A little butterfly. All right. Yeah, it's pretty. In the sun it is.
Yeah. 13, 14, but it sounded super irony, and this is what it is. So I was fully expecting one of those lobster trap things, but it is not. It is an earring. It's super weird texture. It's very, very, very coated. Look at that. Yeah, it's silver because there's silver underneath that. It's just been in here forever. All right, well, that's going to take some effort to get down to the actual earring, but I would say that is probably a silver earring. It's just been down here for quite some time.
What a mid to high 20s. Now it's jumping up. Boy, a little too high. Maybe it's a car. Now it's gone. Alright, we're still in the hole. Is that it? Another silver dime. Oh, one dime. It's a bobber. There's one dime and maybe 1902. Guessing it's a bit worn, but that's what happens in the beach sand. Sweet. All right. Welcome to the wrap-up of our beach hunt, where 2 days prior a nor'easter went through. It knocked out our power and the power to about 100,000 people here in New Hampshire. It also knocked down the sand from the upper half of that beach that we like to detect because nobody goes there. Most of the sand was either brought down to the lower portion or dragged out to sea. As usual, we had a whole bunch of aluminum, some brass, and some big lead. Got some fishing pieces. We got a zipper pull, some key parts, this bullseye washer piece, which I guess is a game like horseshoes. A nondescript car, there's no writing on it whatsoever. Another car part. And 2 vapes. Just a ton of Clyde coins. We also got a gaming token. Got a James Buchanan dollar coin. We got like $9.50 in quarters. Almost $3 in dimes. Bunch of nickels. Bunch of copper pennies. And a pile of zinc pennies. Some jewelry parts and tags. Copper earring and this medallion, which I cannot make out anything on it. 3 wheat cents from various years. A couple of rings. One with the name Zoe on it. And this other one with a butterfly and some stones. And for the precious metal, we got a bunch of silver, including a 1927 Mercury dime and a 1902 Barber dime. And some silver jewelry, including this lobster claw, which has 925 on it, as well as a silver earring. A toe ring with, I believe it's got hearts on it. A silver ring with flowers. This cool ring. Silver ring with a green stone. And this beautiful vintage piece with, I believe it's glass, but still it's a beautiful big silver ring there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this beach hunt. It's always fun to go beach detecting when a big storm goes through because you never know what happens to the sand. Thank you so much for watching. We hope everybody's doing well, and stay tuned for more.